Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Green again. This is another in my lessons on Algebra 1. We're continuing to work our way through this unit. We're getting close to the end of it, so make certain you're understanding all this information. See what we can come up with, okay? Make certain you're coming to tutoring if you need it. So, first thing, you know, if you watch any of these crime fighter shows, CSI, anything like that, what do they always do? They're going to the scene of a crime and they're trying to reconstruct what happened so they can figure out who did it, right? They're trying to figure out what happened by going backwards. Okay? Well, that's what we're going to try to do in this lesson. Is we're going to try to go backwards. We've got a graphed line and we want to try to write the equation for the line. So let's try and do that a little bit here. What is this point right here? That's the B, right? I remember that one because if we look at the y equals mx plus b, that point right there would be the b. That'd be a 4. I can stick that in there. mx plus 4 is equal to y. Now how am I going to find the y? Or the m there? Well, it's easy. All I got to do is find another point on the line. Like that one right there. What does it do? It goes down. How far? 1, 2, 3. It goes over 1, 2. So it goes down 3 over 2 x plus 4. And that's what the equation of the line is. But they want it in standard form. Isn't that just like a mathematician to want it in a different form? So let's see here. Let's add 3 over 2x to both sides of this equation. 3 over 2x to both sides of this equation. We get 3 over 2x plus y is equal to 4. And I'm going to multiply the whole thing by 2 to get rid of the fraction there, and I'll get 3x plus 2y equals 8. 3x plus 2y equals 8. Wow. How could we check to make certain this is right? Let's check our intercepts. If we let x equal 0, I've got 2y is equal to 8 and y is equal to 4. Yep, that's this one here. That's good. If I check the other one, I let y equal 0, I got 3x is equal to 8, so x is equal to 8 over 3. 8 over 3? Let's see here. Well, there's 3 over 3. There's 6 over 3, 7, 8. Yeah, I could buy that. That's at about 8 over 3. Okay? It looks like that's about right. Yeah. Okay? Check. Done. Move on. Okay. Excuse me. So let's look at this one here. This is the same one I just did. Right? I had that in slope intercept, didn't I? It helps sometimes to remember things like this. Okay? So this one is y equals negative 3 over 2 x plus 4. How did I get that? Started here at the 4. Found another point. Counted down the slope. Counted over the slope. Used that for my slope. Wrote it in there. Slope intercept. Okay? Let's try another one over here. Where's the y-intercept? It's at 0. So y equals mx plus 0. Why? Because it's going through 0 here. Okay? So let's find another point that might be on the line. Let's see here. It looks like, well, I'm not seeing a good one here. This one here. Looks like it might be on the line. Okay? So let's see here. That's down 3 and over 2, right? So y equals down 3 over 2x plus 0. So I could say y is equal to minus 3 over 2x. I want you to look at something. What slope do I have here? What slope do I have here? They're the same. These are parallel lines, aren't they? One of them is going through the origin, the other one isn't. It's interesting that you can see things like that now, can't you? Cool. Okay, point slope. Same equation here. Y equals negative, uh, boy, negative 3 over 2x plus 4. But I want it in point slope. What can I do here? I know. I'll subtract the 4 from both sides. Okay? So y minus 4, is equal to, well, the slope goes on the outside, minus 3 over 2 times x minus 0. Well, is that point on the line? Let's see here. 0, 4. Yes, it is. It's on the line. And this works as a point slope. Y equals, or y minus 4 equals negative 3 over 2x, parenthesis x, minus 0. And that'd be point slope. That was awful messy there, Mr. Green. There it goes. Got the right one. Got rid of it. Okay? A little bit better. Okay? So plus 0. Or minus 0, either way you want to look at it. Now, same line over here. It's parallel to it, isn't it? Right? So in this particular case, what did I have? I had y equals 3 over 2, negative 3 over 2x. I'm not going to subtract anything from it. I'm going to get y minus 0 equals negative 3 over 2 times x minus 0. Going through the point 0, 0, slope negative 3, 2. Simple things to do here, guys. You can do these. These aren't hard. It's just a little bit of counting, a little bit of figuring out where that first initial point is. Okay? Have fun with it. Treat it like it is a CSI. If you have any questions, feel free to come to tutoring. I want to talk to you. Okay? See you next time.